Hey YouTubers, Muskrat Jim here. Well, it's December 1st, and as you can see, we've had our first snowfall. The snow is all crusty because when we got the snow a couple of days ago, the snow was really wet, and then we had a bit of rain after that. So anyway, I'm heading out over to the shelter to free up the tarp that would be definitely frozen to the ground by now, and do a little bit of repairs on it. Why don't you join me? Well, it doesn't look too bad. There's some snow on top there, all crusty and everything. And then it's starting to accumulate down at the bottom. And here on top of the edge of the tarp, we've got a bunch of snow that's fallen. And if you take a look, you can see some footprints there. They're like oval shaped, like a cat. And then you've got some mud that kind of goes in and out of the shelter right there. So anyway, I don't see any pronounced toes, so it's not anything like a porcupine or a raccoon. So I'm sure it's just a cat. And then there's some smaller ones here, like squirrels. But a lot of this is just rain and snow that's fallen out of the trees. See here, it's quite pockmarked. So anyway, I've got to get this snow moved out of the way here, so then I can repair the tarp. Well, this tarp will have to be replaced soon. It's not going to last the winter, that's for sure. Yeah, take a look inside. Okay, well over here, this is where the cat's been going. As you can see, it's all scratched up, and you can see some feces there. And some balls of urine that are frozen in the sand. It acts just like a litter box pretty much, so I'm going to have to get a shovel and a rake to clean that up. Now looking out this way, I can see that my lamp is tipped over and there's some wood knocked over. Then looking here, I can see a pile of what looks like porcupine poo. And they've been here for a while because there's some there, a whole pile of it back there, there as well. It's just all over the place. And then back there, there's some too. takes care of about 2 months worth of porcupine crap. So the last time I was out here to use the shelter was September 30th, I believe, and now it's December 1st, so that's 2 months and a couple of days. So anyway, that's a lot of porcupine crap. So there's the cat's litter box all cleaned out. And there's where all the porcupine crap was. Still smells like urine in here though. Might have to spray it with something. Lysol or something. Anyway, the next time I come out, I'll bring a can of Lysol and try to deodorize it a little bit. I heard that peppermint keeps varmints away, so I might get some of that too. That's the problem with having semi-permanent, permanent shelter, is that it attracts rodents and that sort of thing. Maybe I should get myself a hot tent for the winter camping. At least I know it'll be clean. Anyway, so don't crap where you sleep. This is Muskrat Jim signing out. For more muskrat survival videos, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to click the bell to receive notifications of newly uploaded videos on this channel.